Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable manual uploads notifications on Dropbox. If you want to stay on top of your uploads and make sure every file you add gets confirmed, this setting is what you need. Let's jump right into it. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your app and system controls live, so we'll start here. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists everything installed on your device. It might take a second to load if you have a lot of apps, but once it's ready, find Dropbox and tap on it. Inside the Dropbox app settings, look for notifications and tap to open it. This is where you can manage all the alerts Dropbox can send to you. You'll see a few different options depending on your version of the app or your phone's operating system. Now, tap on notification categories. This step is important because Dropbox divides its notifications into specific types, like file sharing, syncing, or uploads. To make sure you always know when your manual uploads are complete, you'll want to adjust the upload category directly. Finally, find the option labeled Manual Uploads and toggle it on. Once the switch turns on, Dropbox will notify you every time you manually upload a file, helping you confirm that your files have been successfully added without needing to reopen the app each time. And that's it. You've just enabled manual uploads notifications on Dropbox. From now on, you'll get quick, reliable alerts whenever you upload something manually. It's a small setting, but it makes a big difference in keeping your files organized and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to like this video and subscribe for more quick and updated tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.